In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show missing toolbar in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. If you've opened a sheet and the toolbar and menus at the top seem to have vanished, don't worry. This usually happens for one of two reasons. Your browser is in full screen mode, or Google Sheets has collapsed the menu area to give you more room to work. I'll walk you through fixing both quickly. Start by heading to the Google Sheets file you want to work on in your web browser. Once the spreadsheet is open, click into the grid so the sheet is active. If the entire top area of the browser looks minimal, or you don't see your browser tabs and address bar, you may be in full screen mode. An easy way to exit that is right-clicking anywhere inside the spreadsheet. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Exit Full Screen and click it. As soon as you do, your browser returns to normal view, and Sheets will have room to display the standard menu bar and toolbar again. You should now see File, Edit, View, and the formatting icons reappear at the top. If you're not in full screen but the toolbar is still missing, it's likely just hidden within Sheets. Move your mouse to the very top of the sheet. On the far right edge of the top area, look for a small downward-facing arrow. This arrow controls whether the menus are shown or hidden. Click that arrow once. The full menu bar and the toolbar should immediately drop down into view. If you ever need extra space again, you can click the small upward arrow in the same spot to collapse it. Clicking the downward arrow brings it back. It's a simple toggle designed to maximize your workspace without changing any of your data or settings. A quick tip as you work. After restoring the toolbar, try a simple action like bolding a cell or changing the text color to confirm everything is back. Also, if you switch to another tab or window and return, the toolbar should remain visible unless you hide it again or re-enter full screen mode. Finally, remember that display zoom or window size doesn't remove the toolbar. It's specifically the full screen setting or the collapsed menu that hides it. That's all there is to it. Open your spreadsheet. Exit full screen if it's enabled by right-clicking and selecting Exit Full Screen, and if the toolbar is still missing, click the small down arrow on the right side to show the menus. You're back in control and ready to keep working.